One-day workshop on theme socio-economic condition of the Meitei Bangals in Manipur was held at the multi-hall of 𝐒𝐿𝐻 College today. The workshop was jointly organized by Center for Social Exclusion and Inclusive Policy, Manipur University Assistant Professor of Department of Political Science, Dhanamanjuri University, Dr. Muhammad Farijuddin Khan spoke on engaging political culture of Meitei Bangal with special reference to socio-economic status, and Deputy Director, Department of Minority Affairs, Government of Manipur, Muhammad Saluddin Khan spoke on policies and programs for minorities at the workshop, which had Director of CSSEIP Manipur University, Professor Narem Damodar, as the moderator. Spokespersons at the workshop presented analytical data of the economy of Meitei Bangal during the workshop. Professor of Political Science Department MU Laishram Rajan, Associate Professor CSSEIP MU Dr. Thiam Bharat, Assistant Professor Ningthauzam Yaifaba, staff of CSSEIP Research Scholars, Principal of 𝐒𝐿𝐻 College, lecturers and students attended the program.